faith in? What is trust? Are these vows sacred or has it been transgressed? I will have to live with it. We will have to live, we will have to swallow it. I know it's cruel, but I have greed. May isolation guide you back in one piece. Can you ever live when you ever live lonely? You will have to live coldly. The innocence that will never return. Emotions will cave in, wounds will heal, but our scars remain. Maybe you did it, so what can I do? Maybe I'm guilty too, let's just make this through. Do not ever ask, don't you? Do not ever ask, I beg. The innocence that will never return. Emotions will cave in, wounds will heal, but our scars remain.